Hi, I'm Ryan, and I'm flipping furniture so I can take my wife on a vacation for our 20th anniversary. Today, I got super lucky, and a friend of the family had two old 70s style chairs, and they're in perfect condition. I think all I have to do is vacuum them up. I'm gonna check the legs. There's solid wood legs here. I'm gonna check them. There's a couple of spots on here that are scuffed. I mean, obviously with just wear and tear. I'm gonna see if I can get those cleaned up and maybe not have to do a ton of work on them. But the best thing is that they're lazy boys. And I have two of them. They're both lazy boys, and they have to be from the 70s. From this, look at this color and the style. So yeah, I think this might be my quickest flip yet. I shouldn't have said that. I jinxed it. Anyways, all right, let's start. So one other thing I didn't tell you was that they're comfortable. They are very, very comfortable. Also, as soon as I get these done, I have these two chairs to sell. The coffee bar from last time, those are all going to be posted tomorrow, assuming I get these two chairs up. And then I'm starting on another project that's going to take me a while, and I'm contemplating breaking it up into two parts. It's these two really nice big mid-century modern dressers. They're matching pair. One's a six drawer that's long with a mirror, and then the other one, I think it's a 4 dresser, and it's a little taller than the other one, but super nice. But I think I'm gonna have to break that into two. I think it's going to take me about 2 to 3 weeks to get that done. But once that's done, those two things together should bring in around $800. So between everything I have, I think we're going to be getting very close to making our well, not our goal, but at least getting to a point where our vacation is in sight. And I think so far, with the money that we've made from the previous furniture, we're ready to buy airplane tickets. So with COVID, who knows, but we're gonna look into that. Okay, so back to work with these two chairs. All right, there's a couple places on the legs that are, it's like the varnish has been rubbed off. I'm sure these were in use for a good 40 years, probably, maybe more. It's not a big deal. I have a little bit of, I have some espresso stain. I might just do a little bit on here to see if it darkens it up and kind of matches. If not, then we're just gonna let it go the way it is. I don't think it's that big of a deal. All right, I think that worked really good. I didn't overdo it. It just kind of evened it out, evened all the finish out. So I'm all right. I'm pretty sure this chair is finished. Now I'm just gonna do the exact same thing. The other one, vacuum it. I'm gonna flip it over, clean the legs, and then if any of those need a little stain, I'll just add a little stain to them. Then we'll put them on Facebook Marketplace with everything else. Hopefully this will be a quick sell with everything that I have up, and I can clear some space and then work on those two big mid-century modern dressers. So let's just start the other one and get this out, get it done. All right, that's it. That was the easiest flip I've ever had to do, mostly because these chairs were already in fantastic condition for as old as they are. Super good condition. They must have just been stored for a long time. All I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually stage them, take them outside in the sunlight and take some pictures of them. And then we'll put it up on Facebook Marketplace and see what we can get for them. I'm gonna list them at $200 a piece. I think that's fair for as good a condition as they are and as old as they are, and they're lazy boys. So I think $200 a piece will be reasonable. We'll see if we get that. So let's do that now. Hey everyone, I just sold those two lazy boy chairs for $350, or sorry, $370. I had them listed for $400, and the woman offered me $350, and I countered with $370, and she accepted. Came, got them. Her husband was in love with them, so now I'm going to go ahead and figure out the total on where we're at right now. But I think I'm going to do a digital graphic. I think it'll be more clear on where we stand. So let's do that now. So the first flip made 45, second flip made 75, third flip, I made a whopping 285, 135 for the fifth flip, 250 for the sixth, and 275 for the seventh. And the newest one, I made 370 for a grand total of 1435.